Hey everybody, it's John, aka Golden John Ion, with another quick hit computer tip. Here's a quick question. Have you just gotten a video card and not sure how to get the latest drivers? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how. From a browser, search for the term AMD Radeon drivers and hit search. From there, navigate to the download page and select the correct driver for your video card, or select the auto detect installer to have it find the correct driver for you. Once the correct driver is found, download it. Now that it's downloaded, navigate to your installer file and begin installing your video card drivers. If you have an NVIDIA card, the process is exactly the same. From a search engine, type NVIDIA video drivers and select search. Now navigate to the download page and search for your video drivers. Once found, begin downloading. Now that it's downloaded, navigate to the installer file and begin installing. To install Intel video drivers, the process is the same as previous, but you've probably guessed this by now. Search for Intel video drivers and navigate to the download page. Once there, search for the driver for your video card model and begin downloading. Now that it's downloaded, navigate to the installer location and begin installing the drivers. And there you go, you now have the latest and greatest video card drivers for your beloved computer. And that's where I'm going to end this tutorial. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.